Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the rich and diverse flavors of Turkey. Today, we're going to introduce you to the delightful world of Turkish Menemen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's get started and bring a taste of Turkey to your breakfast table. Before we begin, let's gather the ingredients for our Turkish Menemen. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, thinly sliced 2 green peppers, sliced 4 tomatoes, chopped 4 eggs, salt and pepper. To taste, red pepper flakes, optional, fresh parsley, chopped. Now, let's dive into the world of Turkish flavors. Step 1. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and sauté until they become translucent and lightly golden. Step 2. Add the sliced green peppers to the skillet and continue to cook until they become tender. Step 3. Now, add the chopped tomatoes to the skillet and stir everything together. Allow the mixture to cook until the tomatoes release their juices and start to soften. Step 4. It's time to add the eggs. Create small wells in the tomato and pepper mixture and carefully crack the eggs into each well. Season the eggs with salt and pepper to taste. Step 5. Sprinkle some red pepper flakes for an extra kick of heat. If desired, then cover the skillet and let the eggs cook until they reach your desired level of doneness. Step 6. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, remove the skillet from the heat. Garnish the menemen with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a burst of freshness. And there you have it, Turkish menemen, a delightful and hearty breakfast skillet that will brighten up your mornings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey to Turkey. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Turkish menemen. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more mouthwatering recipes from around the world. Until next time, afiyet olsun and happy cooking!